Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. The weather outside, it might be getting frightful, but we're going to be making some vegetable beef stew that will be awesomely delightful. So, stick around. All right, y'all, start this dish out. I like to, I just buy a bottom round roast and I'll cut it up myself. There's no sense in buying the expensive cuts of meat. And I'll start out and trim this up a little bit, get this. This is tough stuff here, so that's a little bit of fat. We can keep that. Alright, like there's a silver skin on this side here, so I want to get underneath of that, get as close to it as you possibly can. Get that trimmed off there. Little piece down there. Like I said, this is just, it'll make your stuff tough. You don't want tough meat. Alright, that's going to be mostly fat, so alright, now just cut down through it. Just cut these in little, bite-sized pieces. So, alright, I'm going to get this cut up and we'll bring y'all back. Alright y'all, it's time to throw this all together. So, got the crock pot here. Gotta put our beef in the bottom. This is just for now, because it's the way I do it. I like to layer it up. And then I got 2 small onions quartered and sliced. Just kind of throw them in there because I like extra onion in my soup. And then we're going to use some minced garlic. And y'all know I love garlic, so that was just a big heaping teaspoon, or big heaping spoon. So, alright, now I'm using the mixed vegetables. You can use however you want to do it. You can use individual canned vegetables to get the mix that you want, that you like. I just find that these ones here, because this has potatoes and celery and peas and green beans and corn, it's got it all in there. So we're going to start with four cans of that. And if we need to, we'll add a couple more later on, but we're going to start with the 4. So that should be a good mix. A little over a can per pound of meat. So, and then I'm going to use vegetable broth. I like it better than the beef broth and stuff because it's not as salty. And it makes a good base. So. And that will bring us up to just almost cover the vegetables, which, I mean, it covers the vegetables. So, if you like the lima beans, you can put the lima beans and stuff in here too. Whatever vegetables you like. like I said, I like that. So, all right, and then we're gonna top her off here with just a little bit of black pepper to start. We got the garlic and stuff in there. So, all right, now we'll drop her down in the warmer, throw the lid on her. I'm gonna cook it on high for about 2 hours to get things good and cooking, and then we'll drop her down to low and let her cook for the rest of the day. If you want to speed the process up, you can pre-cook your beef, brown it in a frying pan with the onion and the garlic, you know, and toss it up, and then throw it in, and then add the vegetables and stuff, and you're basically just finish cooking it off and warming the vegetables up. But I like doing it this way because it gets all that flavor from that beef and stuff mixed in with the soup. So, all right, I'm gonna do that, and we'll bring y'all back whenever things are getting hot. Alright y'all, this is coming along nicely. The meat's starting to brown up a little bit. I totally forgot when I was putting this together. Forgot to add the bay leaves. So we added some bay leaves to it. But she's coming along nice. That's going to be a really, really good soup. So right there you can see the bay leaves. So, alright. Get all that pushed back down in, and throw the lid back on, and we wait. Alright y'all, this has been cooking for a while, so let's see if we can check out and see how it's coming along. Ooh y'all, we definitely need to make some smell-o-vision, y'all, because this is smelling awesome. Ooh. Hot. That beef is fall apart tender in your mouth, man. I'm telling you. So I think it's done. Let's get us a bowl. Alright y'all, let's divvy us out a bowl of this awesome soup. Ooh. Y'all, I'm telling you, it ain't getting much better than that. Look at that. You guys can't see a thing because of the steam. Let me dry that off there for you. Oh yeah, look at that. That is wonderful, y'all. Yumminess. Alright, let's do our taste test now. Alright y'all, there you have it. The vegetable beef soup. Nice and warm and lovey-lovey on the cold winter's day. So, real easy to make in the crock pot. You can do it on the stove too if you want. I just like doing mine in the slow cooker because, you know, all them flavors mingle so well over that, you know, long period of time of cooking it. So, anyways, love y'all, and as always, bear appetit. Oh, hit that like and subscribe button too. Like 80% of you aren't subscribed, but you're returning viewers. So, please, hit that subscribe button. Again, bear appetit.